Yo, what is up, everyone? Hope everyone's doing good today. It is your boy Amber Scott Kicks. I'm doing another unboxing video. Now, this box may look different. Um, or I did have to pay resale for this shoe on release day because it sold out. Um, but I managed to get my size. I don't know if I should sell these or if I should keep them. I think I might keep them, but they're patent leather, so I'm just the only thing I'm afraid of is they're gonna crease super bad. Like, I have a pair of the Easter egg Air Force Ones from 2017. I think they're called Easter eggs or Easters. They're patent leather, and I tried selling those dead stock when they came out. Like, they had good resale. They were going for about like 350. But nobody bought them from me. So I just ended up making them into daily beaters now. I just literally wear them like everywhere I go. They are pretty badly creased, but I'm like, you know what? I could care less. But these I'm not sure if I should wear them or if I should just keep them dead stock. But, I don't have my handy letter opener or knife today, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. But yeah, let's get into it. Oh, it's a pair of Jordan 1s. Put that off to the side. So here's the box that they come in, which is a traditional Jordan 1 box. I went with my size. Finding a size 9 was a bit of a pain in the ass, but managed to get a pair. Retail was 225 Canadian. Taxes and it came to like 250 or 252, somewhere around there. Um, I had to pay 3 resale, which isn't too much more than retail. It's not bad. That was the cheapest pair I could find anywhere because Goat and StockX. Now, if you're living in Canada, remember, Goat and StockX is showing you how much it is US pricing wise. They need to really change their pricing system. They need to show you how much the estimated subtotal or whatever it is going to be before you check out. Because I got screwed over on the Zen Greens on Goat. They showed me they were 250. When they showed up, I ended up having to pay another $100 something in shipping fees and duties because it came from the States. Even if you do the instant ship, or like the insta ship or whatever it's called, that will ship them quicker, but you will also have to pay more too. I ended up getting screwed over on those. Those don't have that much resale. I paid like probably like maybe 450 for those in the end, and now they're just sitting. Everybody was saying like, oh, they're gonna have good resale. They're hyping them up and everything. I bought them, and now they're bricks. I'm stuck with them. I have a dead stock pair in a size 9 sitting in my room right now, and I can't do anything with them. If they don't sell, I'm probably gonna be stuck with them and probably have to start wearing them. These, if you are in the market for these are the black patent leather Jordan 1 highs, the ones that have the gold swoosh on them. I'm not gonna, like show you right away. Like, I'm letting you know what these are, so I don't. It's not a surprise or anything. It's just I remember telling you guys about this in the past couple of videos that I'm getting a pair of these. So you've got a size 9 in these, which is my true size in all Jordan 1s. Um, oh, now I had mixed thoughts on these when I saw pictures. They look better in pictures. In person, like, I don't know, like, I like them, but I have mixed feelings on these. This is like the guy did buy them from Foot Locker, so they are dead stock. But like, dude, like, you can't go wrong. It's just an all black with a little hit of gold on a Jordan 1 high. And personally, Jordan 1 highs, of course, they're everyone's favorites. And then you got the nylon tongue with the Nike Air tag on it, and it's in black and gold. It's a nice subtle hit. You got the black and gold Nike Air insole on there, um, and the all black outsole. Like, you know, oh, and it has gold stitching on the midsole. So it's like, if you do plan on wearing these, like, I love Jordan 1s because the more you wear them, the more old they look and more distressed. Um, like 3 is not too bad. I did have to pay a little bit of shipping because they came from Vancouver. But I was kind of happy to get them on a release day. Like I didn't get them from a website or anything. I bought them off a Facebook group, but like, if you guys are still in the market for these, I would definitely say check Foot Locker's app. I have seen them restock over the past couple of days. If you're looking for the University Blue Jordan 9s, like the UNCs, those restock every single day. Those sold out on release day. Um, the Air Max 90 infrareds, or Nike's calling them the Radiant Reds, I don't know why, or Air Max 3s. Those restock every single day. The Laser Blue Air Max 90s, those restock every single day. So it's like, if you're in the market for certain sneakers right now, it is getting hard to get sneakers because we live in an age of bots. A lot of people are botting a lot of stuff heavy. Like they're heavily using them on websites. Like Nike sneakers, I don't even fuck with. I don't even bother with them because I know I'm gonna catch an L every single time. Um, I did manage to secure a pair of the Jordan 11 Jubilees. Now that is, I know it's not gonna much, it's not gonna have much resale on it. They were expensive, 285 Canadian, but I secured a pair in a size 9.5. Now in 11s, I've only owned one pair, and those were the platinum tints. I had a size 9 in those, and my toes at the front were like getting squished. For some weird reason, Jordan 11s, I have to go up half a size. Every other Jordan Retro I can fit a 9 just fine. So I got a 9.5 in them. I got them on release day, which was December 12th, I believe it was. They released. So they're on their way from Foot Locker. They come in a different looking box, but whatever. Like once they get here, um, I'm gonna do a review of them, see how they look. I did manage to get a pair of the University Blue Jordan 9s. I couldn't get any other size, so I got a size 8. I might be selling them because I'm not a size 8. So, um, I'll be reselling them definitely. But yeah, like these, I don't know. I have mixed thoughts. Like, should I keep them or should I sell them? Like, I like them, but with the gold laces, that would look actually kind of nice. The black keeps it subtle and low key, but if you want to kind of make them pop more, then definitely I would say go with gold laces. But like the quality on here is pretty. It's not like the best. It's not the worst. It for patent leather. It's patent leather. Like it's decent. Like it's kind of nice. I like how they did the Wings logo in gold on both of them. Um, Other than that, yeah, there's not much to it. It's just your normal Jordan 1 high, and it's just in patent leather, right? Um, like, is it wearable? Yes, I would say it will shoot up in value in the future. Probably people that may have forgotten about them or something, they might spike up in value. Right now, the resale market for these is kind of weird. It's like certain sizes, like a size 9 and like up, like big sizes, some small sizes, they're set about anywhere between 3 to 325. I have seen some people asking 4 for them. Now that's a bit too much. For 4, you could probably get yourself something like the white metallic reds, which no one cared for like maybe like 2 years ago when they came out, and now they're suddenly like $400. You could probably get a pair of like the clay greens for like 450. Like the white metallic navies are going for about like 350. You could probably get a pair. I found a 10.5 on Facebook for 270, I think it was. So like if you're I still want a pair of those. I still regret not getting a pair for 145 like 3 years ago on sale in a size 9. Because if I had kept those dead stock, I could easily get like 4 for those right now. But I wear my sneakers. But lately what I've been doing is I've been buying sneakers for my personal collection, and I haven't even worn any of some of the ones that I did videos on over the past few days. I've kept them dead stock because I was kind of stuck in between keeping them or reselling them. But the only sneakers I've really had luck reselling for good profit have been Jordan 3s lately. Like the red cement sold for a good price, the blue cement sold for a good price. I still have the gold metallic Jordan 1 mid sitting there in the size 11. I have the Zoom Jordan 1s in the Zen green in a size 9. I got the Air Max 90 infrareds, or radiant reds Nike calls them now. So yeah, that was my video for today, guys. Much love. Keep supporting, liking, and commenting down below. Until later, I love you guys. Take care. I'm out, y'all. Peace. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.